Today, we have an exciting topic that not only celebrates the versatility of nature but also delves into the world of sustainable businesses. We're talking about the fascinating world of coconut byproducts. Coconuts are not just a delicious tropical treat, they're a source of incredible resources that go beyond the kitchen. Today, we'll explore the numerous byproducts derived from coconuts, and we'll discover how they are turning into the backbone of a thriving and sustainable business. Coconut oil. Let's start with the ever-popular coconut oil. It's not just a kitchen essential, it's a beauty secret, a health booster, and a key ingredient in many products. From cooking to skincare, coconut oil has become a staple in households worldwide. Coconut water. Now, who doesn't love a refreshing sip of coconut water? It's not just a trendy beverage, it's a natural hydrator, packed with electrolytes. The demand for coconut water has skyrocketed, leading to sustainable farming practices and job creation in coconut-producing regions. Coconut husk products. But the coconut's usefulness doesn't stop there. The husk, often considered waste, is now a valuable resource. From coir for mats and ropes to coconut husk chips used in gardening, innovative entrepreneurs are turning what was once discarded into eco-friendly products. Coconut shell crafts. Have you ever wondered what happens to the coconut shell after you've enjoyed its delicious contents? Well, it turns out, it's a canvas for creativity. Skilled artisans are crafting beautiful and sustainable items from coconut shells, adding an artistic touch to the coconut byproduct repertoire. Activated carbon from coconut shells. Now, here's a surprising one: activated carbon. Coconut shells are being used to produce high-quality activated carbon, a substance with myriad applications, from water purification to air filtration. It's another way coconut byproducts contribute to environmental sustainability. Conclusion. And there you have it, the incredible world of coconut byproducts. From all that enhances our health to crafts that decorate our homes, coconuts are proving to be a powerhouse of sustainable business opportunities. By supporting products derived from coconut byproducts, we not only contribute to a healthier lifestyle but also promote environmentally friendly practices and support communities around the world. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.